Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create automatic email triggers in HubSpot using the 2025 interface. This is perfect if you want to send emails automatically when someone fills out a form or takes an action on your site. Let's get started. First, go to the left menu bar and click Automation, then choose Workflows. Click Create Workflow and choose Start from Scratch. Then hit Next. Now set your enrollment trigger. This tells HubSpot when to start the automation. Click Set Enrollment Triggers and choose an action like Form Submission to trigger when someone fills out a form, or marketing email activity like opens or clicks, or even page view or list membership. Once you've picked the trigger, click Apply Filter, then Done. Now hit the plus button to add an action. Choose Send Email and select the marketing email you want to send. If you haven't made one yet, go to Marketing greater than Email, create it there, then come back and add it to the workflow. You can also add a delay if you want to wait a few hours or days before sending, or build more steps like branches and tasks. Totally up to you. Once you're done, click Review and Publish, then hit Turn On. Now, whenever someone meets your trigger conditions, HubSpot will automatically send the email you linked. That's how you create email triggers in HubSpot. No coding and no campaign setup needed. Hope you found this helpful. See you in the next one.